Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to reset WhatsApp two-step verification without email. So suppose that you have forgotten your PIN or your code here. Obviously, you cannot have access to your WhatsApp application because it will ask for your code. Now, what are you going to do in order for you to reset your WhatsApp two-step verification without your email? And let's just say you forgot your email's password or you cannot open your email or you don't have the access to your email anymore. So what you're going to do here is you have to ask a help from their help center or from their customer service. The screen is dark because WhatsApp will not allow screen record for privacy concerns. So if you want to reset your PIN or code here without using your email address or any email address, what you're going to do is you have to tap this three dots beside two-step verification. So once you click this one, and then it will take you directly to their help center. So you can look for other articles here, but you can also tap this contact us to tell them directly or specifically about your concern or to address them your concern. So here in contact us, you can tell them sorry or hello WhatsApp. I forgot my PIN, I forgot my password, and I cannot log in because I don't have the access of my email address. Or you can say whatever you want here. You can copy this one and you can create your own. You can also provide here a new email address so that they can reach you there. And then you can have your conversation with the customer service agent there. So as you can see, this is my message. I forget my PIN. I forget my password. I can't log in because of the two-step verification. Please help me. You can contact me at, and then I have provided a new email address. And then after that, I click next. And then, as you can see, it's checking help center. So you can also ask more like how to reset your two-step verification. They will tell you some instructions right here. But if you think that it's not really helpful for you, then you just have to keep sending and wait for their response. So as you can see, they have messaged me. So this is what it looks like, and all I have to do is to follow the instruction in order for me to reset my WhatsApp two-step verification. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.